Good day, YouTube. This is just a bit of a quick and fun video to show you guys how to install something or anything in the terminal in Manjaro Linux, okay? Whether it's Manjaro GNOME, XFCE, KDE, you name it, whatever variant here. So it's super easy, barely an inconvenience. All you need to do is go to the terminal and type in the following. So sudo pacman. So we've got sudo for the root privileges, we've got pacman for the package manager, no surprises there. And then we've got -s, capital S, in order to, we're choosing what to install here basically. And then, if I can catch my breath, is any software that you're looking to install. Let's use the Chromium browser as an example, or the Chrome browser. The free one or the non-proprietary one, and then basically hit enter, chuck in your password, and away you go. Oh, actually, that is not how they spell it or do it there. I'm missing an S. Here we go. Must be a different repository. We'll use something just a little bit more simpler. HTOP, the system monitor there. That's always a winner, in my opinion. So here we go. Great, worked. Hit yes hit Y for yes, hit enter, let it install, and away you go. So there it is, guys. Like I say, super easy, barely an inconvenience. That's how you guys install something in the terminal, in Manjaro, all Arc-based, that kind of thing. But thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I hope to see all of you guys there in the next one.